Hi everybody, Philip with A-1 Duct Cleaning and Chimney Sweep here. What we got here is a very cracked up top crown. This is the top part of a chimney. As you can see, there's lots of cracks in it. This cracking is usually typically due to weathering over many years, the expansion and contraction of the chimney through the sun hitting it all day, and then it cools down at night. A lot of water can get into there when it rains, and it can make the problem worse. So what we can do is we do a top crown seal. This is what you see here. We fully seal up the top cement section of the chimney, and it fills up all the cracks, makes it completely watertight. The sealant itself is kind of a masonry and a vinyl mix so that it actually can expand and contract with the weather, but it will not crack itself. So we can do that for you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.